Get paid per click with the website that I'll give you today. It is absolutely free and works worldwide for anyone that wants to make money online. All you need is a smartphone device or a PC and an internet connection. Also follow me step by step till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. And if you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start with this video so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is this one here called Paidera. This is over at paidera.com. As you can see, you can turn your time into money. You can work online without having any previous experience, and also you're going to do some multiple tasks without leaving your home for absolutely free and also worldwide available. You're going to have some instant payment. You can use your desktop version or your mobile phone in order to get started with Paidera. So if you scroll down, you're going to see what you're going to do with it. You can complete different tasks. As you can see, it makes no limit to what you can make per day. So this means that it depends on you on how much time and dedication you want to put on this. You can invite friends and family in order to make money in passive income. And also you're going to have instant payments. You can reach the minimum threshold and you can request your instant payment. Let's see what they offer. They offer sign up tasks. You can sign up or subscribe to websites. You can complete surveys. So you're going to just give your opinion about these different things. You can upload videos. You can invite friends, just like we mentioned before, write articles and post about Paidera and get paid for it. And also you're going to have all of your earnings available in one place. If you scroll down, you're going to see some statistics. They have more than 900,000 of members, more than or almost 8 million of tasks completed, and also 1 million of payment sent. So the reason why you need to choose them is because this is one only website that provides multiple ways to get paid online. So you have different methods of making money online in one single platform, so you can choose what you need to do with this many options, like completing tasks, completing surveys, taking quizzes. So you can even take quizzes, have fun, and also get paid for that. Invite friends and family, and you can avoid to work in multiple sites because you're going to have all of your revenue in one place. If you scroll down, you're going to see this section here, check proofs and reviews. So you're going to see payment proofs that this actually works and that Pedera is 100% legit. So you're going to see over here that people from all around the world are sending their payment proofs. You have this person here from Indonesia who got paid like $32. You have this person here, $30. This person from Panama, $30. From India, also other countries as well, Brazil, Mexico, Egypt, and so on and so forth. So people from all around the world are getting paid pretty good amounts of money online. So you can do the same thing, and all you need to do is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking on create an account in the upper right corner, or I want to create an account here. In the next page, you're going to put a first name, a last name, a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password. Then you need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click sign up and create your account. Once you do so, you'll be able to get access to your dashboard. As you can see, I have 50 cents right now because this is like a welcome bonus. But of course, this is a brand new account that I created right now for the purpose of this tutorial, and this is going to change really soon once you follow every step from this video. And you're going to see over here that you're going to have best offers here that you can just take. You can click on show task in order to complete this service. As you can see, this one here even pays you like $6.60 because they talk in cents, but the thing is that 660 cents make $6.60. So you're going to see in the left hand side all of the tasks that you can complete. So you have micro tasks here, you have video tutorials, submit videos. You're going to complete micro tasks. You can just complete other tasks as well. You have surveys that you can click, And complete, you have paid quizzes and also online reviews, you have referrals, the payment section. Here you can see your payment history, but also on payment setting you can put your payment information. And let me remind you that you're going to get paid in PayPal money actually, so you're just going to put your PayPal email over there. So as you may have noticed, here you have your referral link. So they offer a good referral program actually. You're going to see that you can get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks plus 10 cents per valid referral. So besides doing all of these tasks by yourself, you can also get paid in passive income by referring friends, family, but even people that want to make money by completing some tasks online, and you can refer them over to Paidera and you're going to get paid again and again. I'm going to show you where you can find thousands of people that are interested in this kind of websites that want to make money online, and just stay tuned for that. So let me remind you once again that in the left hand side you're going to have all of the surveys and all of the tasks that you need to complete. So before taking a survey, you of course going to put some personal information, just like your gender, your age, your academic skills. So you're going to get the best available surveys related to you. So what you need to do right now is to just click on the copy button here, so you can start referring people with your referral link. So what you can do is to go over to a platform called Trendry. This is over at trendry.com. As you can see here, you can find a lot of make money forums, from make money, rewarding apps, paid surveys, affiliate marketing. You have investment forums, business and marketing forums, financial management, and so on and so forth. So people come here in order to discuss about different things and also different ways to make money online, different websites, and so on. As you can see, you have these forums here that have millions of views, actually a lot of messages and threads. So what you need to do is to take part in all of them, and most importantly in the paid surveys, make money, and rewarding apps sections, because this is all related to Paidera. And what you need to do is to just communicate with them, and you can just refer them over to Paidera, because first of all they are interested in finding websites like Paidera so they can use them and they can make money by taking surveys, but also doing some other tasks as we saw before. So you're just going to get your referral link, and then you're going to take part in these forums. You're going to discuss and engage a little bit with people, and you can refer them over to Paidera, or you can even post a thread by yourself where you can just say that you have like the best platform where people can make money online. So this is a great way actually to make money in passive income with Paidera, beside doing all of these tasks, because you can maximize your results and make even more money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.